Please tell me something about yourself.
Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving this great opportunity to me. My name is Sivarang Krishna. I am from Krishna district. I studied my MBA Finance from Mahmudiyya Institute of Management, where I have learnt management and leadership skills. I pursued my BCom Computers from Susila Degree College, which gave me positive attitude and punctuality. I completed my intermediate from Susila Junior College. They learned the importance of planning and execution. I did my SSC from Vishodaya School, where discipline is injected in me. My short-term goal is I want to get reputed organization like yours in accounting, and my long-term goal is to get good position like you, where I can grow along with the organizational growth. My strengths are flexible, commitment at work, smart working mentality, goal oriented and optimistic nature. My weakness, I feel uncomfortable when I don't finish my work in a given time. My hobbies, reading the finance books and attending the relevant seminars. My project details, I have done my investment decision analysis at Right Horizons Private Limited. I got exposure about the different investment decisions made by a different peoples. My family consists of 4 members, including me. My father is a tailor, my mother is a homemaker, and my sister completed MSc. That's all about me, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Why you want to join this company?
Sir, everyone dreams to start a career with a reputed organization, and my principles are in line with your company. So I feel it's best opportunity to my goal and excel in my skills.
Define yourself in 3 words.
Self-managed, adaptable and innovative.
What is your weakness?
Because of habit giving perfect results, sometime little more time is needed to accomplish any target.
Are you open for relocation?
As a fresher, gaining experience is first to me. Whatever the location or position, it doesn't matter. So I don't hesitate to relocate myself. I will be ready to go abroad or even to moon if it is fruitful for my organization.
Are you ready to sign a bond?
Yes, sir. Yes, of course. If you can make me understand the growth prospects.
What is your long-term plan?
Desire to become a successful accounts manager.
How do you spend your weekends?
Revising the past 1 week's syllabus and preparing for next week in advance.
Would you like to ask anything about the company? Do you have any questions? What are your hobbies?
I believe in upgrading and updating in the field of accounting.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.